Honorable Principal, respected teacher, and my dear school fellows,